Today we opened the door to a brand new cafeteria. So excited that this cafeteria is going to serve many other purposes, such as professional development for our teachers, as well as clubs and sports banquets, and really just so community focused for everyone to be together in a shared space that's so welcoming and has a lot of spirit and pride about it.
We couldn't have done this project without our community and their support on our bond measures. Oftentimes when the community thinks they're supporting a bond measure, it's to build the new schools like Canyon View High School or Goodyear High School. Those were definitely needed because our district is a rapidly growing district. Our commitment as a district is that in these bond measures that we would not increase tax rates to our community. And we don't plan on raising them going forward. And we definitely want to thank our community for their support.